Online form submission process for admissions to undergraduate programs for the academic session 2020-21. Mehran University of Engineering and Technology has started. Admission form is available online, which can be submitted using a laptop, computer, or smartphone. To apply online, the candidate must have the following documents: matric mark sheet, first year mark sheet, domicile, PRC, and CNIC or Form B. To apply online, visit ugadmission.muat.edu.pk from your internet browser. Now you have to click on Register Account. Now fill registration form using your valid and in-use email address. Your account has been created. Now log in. Once you log in, this screen will appear. Now you have to print the bank challan by clicking on Print Bank Receipt. Your challan form will be generated automatically. Now click Print it. Now you have to pay the form processing fee of 3,000 rupees. You can pay that fee by visiting HBL branch and depositing the amount of 3,000 rupees in account numbers 004279919034003. You can also pay the fee using the HBL mobile app or by using HBL Internet Banking. You can also submit the amount of 3,050 at TCS centers. After paying the fee, now you have to add the bank receipt on the admission portal. Now add the name of the branch where you submitted the challan fee. Add challan submission date. Now scan the challan using mobile application CAM Scanner. After scanning, click on Choose File and upload the challan. Remember that file size should not exceed 150 KB, otherwise, you will receive an error. To reduce the size of your documents, go to Google and search Photo Size Reduce. Visit first appearing link and upload the document having a size greater than 150 KB. Now decrease the quality of the document until size becomes smaller than 150 KB. Now go back to Form and click Choose File. Now upload challan having file size smaller than 150 KB. In case you paid your fee online using a mobile app, then add transaction ID in place of branch name, and upload a screenshot of transaction in place of the challan. Now click on Submit. Now, the screen will appear, where you have to provide your basic information. Insert all the details being asked. Now, the screen will appear, where you have to provide your education details. Insert all the details being asked. Now you have submitted the details appearing on the left side. Next you have two complete details appearing on the right side. First of all, submit your profile picture. Make sure your profile picture is in passport size with white background. You can see, your profile picture has been submitted and its verification is under process. Now upload other documents by clicking on click here to upload documents. Now upload SSC mark sheet. Then upload first year mark sheet or inter mark sheet if the intermediate result has been announced. Then upload domicile. Then upload PRC and CNIC or Form B. After selecting all the files, click on Upload. Your documents are uploaded successfully. If you are applying on a merit basis only, then your process is complete. If you want to apply on self-finance or special scheme, then click here to give details. Now select the category you want to apply on. Your form has been submitted successfully. You can see that status of your submitted form on the screen is under process of verification. Make sure to view your form status after every 24 hours. Once everything is verified, your form verification status will appear as verified. In case any document or information is missing, your screen will have a message to upload or submit the missing information. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any other question, write in the comment box or submit via the help desk. Wish you all the best.